Hey, woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 10 best woodworking tools available on Amazon to elevate your projects. From precision to power, we've got tools that will boost your efficiency and take your craftsmanship to the next level. Let's jump in. Number 1. The Digital Angle Finder Protractor Inclinometer Level is an accurate, versatile tool ideal for construction, woodworking, and CAD design. It measures angles across a full 4 by 90 degree range, with remarkable accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 degrees and a resolution of 0.01 degrees, ensuring precision in any project. Its design includes 4 measurement units: angle, slope, metric slope, and imperial slope, making it adaptable to various standards and applications. This inclinometer offers standard angle measurements and supports relative measurements, ideal for setting angles in relation to other surfaces. You can reset the level on all 4 sides, allowing for highly customizable use. Strong magnets on all sides allow secure attachment to metal surfaces, and the tool can even snap into tile gaps or onto walls, enhancing its versatility in different environments. 2 powerful backlights ensure readability in low light, while the long-lasting 500 mAh lithium battery offers extended use between charges, adding to its reliability. Built for longevity, this angle finder retains its accuracy over time, making it a dependable addition to any toolset for those needing exact measurements and adaptable functionality. Number 2. The Safety Work Gloves with Microfoam Nitrile Coating offer excellent grip, durability, and comfort, making them ideal for various home improvement and light industrial tasks. These gloves feature a microfoam nitrile coating, which provides an exceptional grip on dry and lightly oiled surfaces while ensuring high abrasion resistance, enhancing both safety and efficiency. Their ergonomic 3D design offers a snug fit that contours to each finger, allowing for superior dexterity and control. Engineered for breathability, these gloves have an ultra-thin design that allows airflow to keep hands cool, even during extended use. The seamless nylon liner and spandex material provide flexibility and comfort, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring a comfortable fit throughout the workday. Additionally, the gloves have a knit wrist that helps to keep dirt and debris out, maintaining cleanliness and enhancing usability in various environments. These microfoam nitrile-coated gloves are an economical, versatile choice, offering long-lasting durability without compromising on comfort or functionality. Number 3. The Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw is a powerful, portable saw designed to deliver precision and durability for woodworking, whether for professional or DIY projects. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, this miter saw reaches up to 5,000 RPM, easily handling tough cuts. The saw's large 10-inch table provides ample support for materials, and its integrated vise clamping system ensures stability, enhancing cutting accuracy. Weighing only 24.2 pounds, the miter saw is highly portable, allowing easy maneuvering and setup. Quick miter adjustments are made simple with thumb-actuated positive stops, making this saw both user-friendly and efficient. The included 10-inch 24T TCT blade ensures clean, precise cuts out of the box. For versatility, the saw offers a miter angle range of 0 to 52 degrees to both the left and right, along with a 0 to 45 degree left bevel range with adjustable stops, allowing for a wide range of cutting options. Safety features include an electric brake for rapid blade stopping, a blade guard for added protection, and a horizontal handle, all designed to ensure a safe and controlled cutting experience. Number 4. The Hilti D8 Pack bar clamp set is a versatile and durable toolkit for woodworking and general repairs. This complete set includes 4 6-inch bar clamps, 2 12-inch bar clamps, and 2 6-inch spring clamps, offering a range of options to suit different project needs. The 6-inch clamps have a maximum spread of 11 and 9/64 inch, while the 12-inch clamps reach up to 17 and 21/64 inch, providing flexibility in securing various workpieces. Constructed with a strong nylon body and hardened steel bars, these clamps are highly impact resistant and built to withstand frequent use on construction sites. The quick change button design allows easy conversion of the F-clamp into a spreader. Simply press the red button, remove the jaws, reverse them, and reattach for an efficient spreader function. With a 150 pounds load capacity and a durable metal ratchet construction, these clamps are strong yet lightweight, making them easy to handle for extended periods. The non-slip textured pads enhance clamping force, ensuring stability during work. The quick-release mechanism further simplifies usage, making adjustments fast and smooth for a reliable clamping experience. Number 5. The Workpro Folding Roller Stand is a versatile, heavy-duty support tool designed to handle up to 250 pounds, making it ideal for woodworking, carpentry, and various shop tasks. Its adjustable height ranges from 27 to 43 inches, providing flexibility to match different work surfaces and project needs, ensuring comfort and precision. Equipped with highly visible edge guides, this roller stand keeps materials securely in place, reducing the chance of misalignment and improving workflow efficiency. The stand features an eccentric foot, allowing it to remain stable even on uneven surfaces, so you can work confidently in any environment. Portable and lightweight, this roller stand folds down easily for convenient storage and transport. Its sturdy construction and user-friendly design make it a reliable choice for both professional and DIY projects, especially where stability and support are essential. Number 6. The TwoRace Cabinet Hardware Jig is an essential tool for accurate and effortless installation of cabinet handles, pulls, and hardware on doors and drawers. Designed with an automatic center punch, this jig ensures precise hole placement every time, making it a valuable asset for cabinetry projects. The jig kit allows for easy alignment and drilling, providing flawless results and significantly enhancing the quality of DIY and professional work. Beyond cabinet drilling, this versatile tool serves multiple woodworking functions. It can be used as a ruler for marking lines and angles, a compass for drawing circles and arcs, and an angle measuring tool for checking 90 or 120-degree angles, making it a dream tool for carpenters and woodworkers. The built-in woodworking compass scribe also allows for precise circle sizing, perfect for complex measurements and designs. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this hardware jig is durable and built to withstand rugged conditions. Its accurate scale markings make measurements quick and reliable, saving time and ensuring consistency across projects. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this jig is a must-have tool for anyone looking to enhance efficiency and precision in cabinetry and woodworking. Number 7. The Sacre Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler is a versatile and precise tool designed for a range of woodworking and measurement tasks. This multifunctional T-square ruler combines the functions of a ruler and protractor, allowing for seamless measurement of both length and angles. With a clear, accurate scale, it measures lengths up to 48 centimeters, 18 inches, making it ideal for both line drawing and angle measurement, saving time and enhancing efficiency in your projects. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this ruler is lightweight yet durable, offering excellent abrasion resistance and long-lasting accuracy. It features an adjustable angle finder, allowing you to quickly and accurately identify angles and draw straight lines. By simply unscrewing the nut, you can set bevels, draw radial lines, and mark angles, making it a highly adaptable tool. The laser-engraved measurements ensure clear readability, even in varied lighting conditions, and guarantee long-term durability. This multifunctional protractor comes with a red mechanical pencil and 8 refills, providing everything you need for precise engineering, design, and construction work. Perfect for craftsmen, designers, and engineers, this ruler is an essential tool for anyone needing reliable, detailed measurements. Number 8. The Bora Pomate Mobile Base Kit PM 1100 is a practical solution for moving heavy woodworking equipment and tools with ease. Designed with a 400 pounds, 181 kilograms weight capacity, this mobile base kit is customizable to fit various machine footprints, accommodating everything from table saws and band saws to workbenches and other heavy machinery. Setting up the PM 1100 is straightforward. Simply measure your machine's footprint, cut a piece of 3/4 inch plywood to serve as the base, and install the hardware. This flexible design ensures that almost any large equipment can be quickly mounted for mobility, making it perfect for busy woodshops, garages, and workshops. Equipped with smooth gliding, 3-inch hard plastic caster wheels, the base kit provides effortless movement over different surfaces. Foot-operated locking levers secure your equipment firmly in place, ensuring stability when needed. The Bora Pomate PM 1100 mobile base kit combines easy setup with robust performance, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to optimize their workshop space. Number 9. The Ozark 15-piece CounterSync Drill Bit set is an essential toolkit for any woodworking project, providing a complete range of accessories for precise, professional results. The set includes 7 tapered drill bits. Additionally, it features 2 wood plug cutters, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch, an Allen key, 2 depth stop rings, 2 Phillips screwdriver bits, PH1 and PH2, and an extension bit shaft. Made from industrial-grade high-speed steel with a nitride-treated surface, these CounterSync drill bits offer twice the durability of standard carbon steel bits. The adjustable depth stop collars allow precise control, ensuring uniform countersinking for a polished, professional finish. The sharp 82-degree counterbore angle and tapered pilot bits make for smooth, fast drilling, ideal for both hard and soft woods. This set's all-in-one design allows for drilling, countersinking, and counterboring, maximizing efficiency and ensuring a perfect fit for your wood screws. The EZARC CounterSync Drill Bit set is ideal for woodworking enthusiasts seeking quality, durability, and precision in one comprehensive kit. Number 10. The Jorgenson Chamfer plane is crafted for woodworking precision, featuring a professional-level blade made from 9CRWMN, a high-quality 01 tool steel. This material ensures excellent durability, minimizing blade wear and maximizing sanding efficiency for smooth wood trimming. The plane comes with 4 interchangeable tips, each designed for different chamfering needs, providing flexibility for various woodworking tasks. A built-in storage compartment at the end of the plane securely holds extra blades, keeping them organized and preventing loss. The cover clasp is firm, ensuring safe storage for peace of mind. The chamfer plane's base is polished to a fine, flat finish, allowing for smooth, stain-free operation that leaves no marks on the wood surface. Its ergonomic design, with a comfortable curved grip and a small groove for easy handling, enhances user comfort. For added convenience, the plane includes an adjustable cutting depth. By turning the adjustment knob, users can easily set the blade length to their desired depth, making it quick and efficient to achieve precise, smooth edges. The Jorgenson Chamfer plane is a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking quality and efficiency in woodworking projects.